Imbibition. It is the process through which water diffuses into the solids, and when water is diffused into the solid's volume, it will increase enormously and they will be swollen up. This mechanism, if you want to observe, you can use a cork. When you will place a cork into the water, it will swell up. This mechanism is responsible for the germination of seeds. Through this mechanism only, the seeds burst out of the soil, and this mechanism is also used for certain man-made activities. The swelling of wood is used to make way to cut through stones, etc. Long distance transport of water. This long distance transport of water is known as translocation, and it usually occurs through vascular system, and this movement of water is in bulk. It is also known as bulk flow or bulk movement. Absorption of water by plants. Usually water is absorbed by roots. On roots, root hair are present, which are thin-walled cylinder extensions. These help in extending or increasing the surface area for absorption. Two mechanisms are responsible for the absorption of water: apoplast mechanism and symplast mechanism. You can see in the diagram apoplast and symplast mechanism. You can see how water is moving in case of apoplast and how water is moving in case of symplast, and finally reaching the xylem. Apoplast system of movement. It is usually seen in case of adjacent cells, but the movement stops at Casparian strips, and in this water is also not able to cross the cell membrane. Gradient is required for this system to take place. Evaporation of water in adjacent vacuoles or cell spaces maintains the tension for the continuous water flow. Symplast system. It is the system of interconnected protoplasts which are connected through cytoplasmic strands through plasmodesmata. In this symplast system, the water, when it is stopped at membrane, it can move through this symplast system. You can see the water is primarily absorbed through apoplast system till the time it reaches the inner boundaries of the cortex, where it is stopped by Casparian strips, and then this symplast mechanism comes in and it takes water to the xylem where water is free to move.